The Amazon rainforest, an emerald ocean of life, beauty, and danger, where every shadow hides a story and every creature is a marvel of survival. Our journey begins with the jaguar, the silent sovereign of the Amazon. Its name, jaguar, means he who kills with one leap, a fitting title for this apex predator. Unlike other big cats, the jaguar hunts alone, moving with ghostly stealth through the undergrowth. Its powerful bite can pierce skulls, delivering a swift fatal blow directly to the brain. Jaguars hunt everything from capybaras to caimans, shaping the ecosystem by keeping populations in check. Their presence is often only revealed by a paw print or the remains of a kill. By controlling herbivores, they protect the vegetation that sustains the rainforest. The jaguar is more than a hunter. It's a symbol of the Amazon's wild spirit. Its survival is tied to the health of the forest itself. As we venture deeper, remember, this powerful phantom could be watching from the shadows. The jaguar is the Amazon's raw power incarnate. In the Amazon's rivers lurks the green anaconda, a true giant. Weighing over 500 pounds and stretching more than 20 feet, it's the heaviest snake on Earth. Perfectly adapted for water, it waits submerged, eyes and nostrils just above the surface. When prey approaches, the anaconda strikes, seizing and coiling around its victim. It suffocates, not crushes, its prey, tightening with every exhale until life slips away. Its jaws unhinge to swallow animals much larger than its head, a process that can take hours. After a massive meal, it may not eat for months. The green anaconda is a silent, powerful force, shaping life beneath the Amazon's waters. It's not malicious, just a master of survival in a world of giants. Witnessing one is to see nature's scale and power in action. Danger in the Amazon isn't always massive. Sometimes it's tiny and dazzling. The poison dart frog, no bigger than a paperclip, wears brilliant colors as a warning. Do not touch. Its skin secretes potent neurotoxins, enough in some species to kill 10 grown men. These toxins come from its diet of toxic ants and mites, making captive frogs harmless. Indigenous tribes harness this power, coating blowgun darts with the frog's poison for hunting. The poison dart frog is a jewel of chemical warfare, proving that survival isn't about size, but deadly secrets. Its beauty is a warning. Respect the small, for they can be the most lethal. In the Amazon, even the tiniest creatures command awe. Their vibrant colors are nature's stop sign. In this world, the smallest can be the deadliest. Meet the black caiman, the Amazon's largest aquatic predator and a true river monster. Growing over 15 feet, it rivals the jaguar and anaconda, sometimes preying on or being preyed upon by them. Its dark hide is perfect camouflage for nocturnal ambushes. With a bone-crushing bite, it drags prey underwater, deer, monkeys, even other predators. As a keystone species, it shapes the ecosystem, creating waterholes that sustain countless animals. Once nearly extinct, conservation has brought the black caiman back, restoring balance to the rivers. To see its glowing eyes at night is to glimpse the Amazon's prehistoric heart. The black caiman is a living relic of raw, reptilian power. On the forest floor, the bullet ant reigns as the insect with the world's most painful sting. Victims say it feels like being shot, pain that lasts for hours caused by potent neurotoxins. This defense keeps predators at bay and is central to the Satere Mawa tribe's initiation rituals, where boys endure ant-filled gloves to prove their strength. The bullet ant's sting is a lesson in rainforest survival. Even the smallest can wield incredible power. It's not malice, but necessity, a perfect defense in a world of threats. In the Amazon, respect is earned, often painfully. Give the bullet ant a wide berth. Beneath the Amazon's murky waters, the electric eel wields a unique weapon, electricity. Not a true eel, but a knife fish, it generates up to 860 volts with specialized organs. It uses low-voltage pulses to navigate and hunt, then delivers high-voltage shocks to stun prey or defend itself. Even large animals can be incapacitated by its jolt. Some eels leap from the water to deliver a more powerful shock. This living battery is a marvel of evolution, thriving where few others can. The electric eel commands respect, not with teeth or venom, but with raw, invisible power. In the Amazon, even the unseen can be deadly. The piranha, legendary for its bite, but misunderstood. Red-bellied piranhas have razor-sharp teeth and powerful jaws, capable of shearing flesh and bone. Feeding frenzies are rare, triggered by desperation, not malice. Most piranhas are timid scavengers, more likely to flee than attack humans. Locals swim in their waters with little fear. Piranhas are vital to the ecosystem, cleaning up carcasses and keeping rivers healthy. Their story is a lesson. Nature's truth is often stranger and less terrifying than fiction. The Amazon's dangers are real, but its creatures are not monsters. They're survivors, masterpieces of evolution. Jaguars, anacondas, caimans, all guardians of balance, vital to the forest's health. Yet this world faces grave threats: deforestation, climate change, and pollution. Protecting these animals means protecting their home and our own future. The Amazon is a global treasure, its fate intertwined with ours. I hope this glimpse into its wild side inspires you to value and protect it. Which Amazonian animal fascinated you most? Let us know in the comments, and thank you for watching.